GM has just unveiled a futuristic Chevrolet Corvette electric car concept, developed out of their brand new European Design Center in the UK. This state-of-the-art studio in Leamington Spa is led by none other than Julian Thompson, formerly Jaguar's head of design. At first glance, this concept brilliantly weaves in the Corvette's iconic heritage, reimagined in a race car-inspired, futuristic body made from lightweight composite panels. The designers focused on clean lines and muscular curves, drawing inspiration from fighter jets for both its sculptural grace and functional prowess. The exterior features a distinctive split between the upper and lower halves of the vehicle. The upper portion captures the classic Corvette styling in a futuristic twist. Meanwhile, the lower half zeroes in on technical functionality, showcasing advanced EV battery technology and aerodynamic features designed to channel air efficiently without the need for extra wings or spoilers. Clever negative space around the side pods and rear even conceals hidden fans, which help pull air through the car, reducing drag and boosting overall efficiency. Step inside, and you're greeted by gull-wing doors that open up to a cockpit where drivers grasp a striking rectangular steering wheel. Although we're only getting a sneak peek, the interior promises to include an augmented reality head-up display on the windshield. This Chevrolet concept is the first of 3 studies being showcased by GM Studios this year as part of their global Corvette design project. The UK-designed concept is intended to spark ideas and influence a final show car, which will be unveiled in the second half of this year, possibly at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in July. That design will then drive the development of a replacement for the current Corvette C8, expected to hit the market around 2028.